Finally. Finally, we can see YouTube comments. Okay, now. Okay. Oh, okay, now let's start learning this. 2 years journey, 2 year journey starts now. Shut myself down. Let's move this code. Any documentation. Free and open source community. Okay. Before you start, tutorial and resource page list. Video tutorials contributed by the community. Prefer video to text. We start with the text. The data engine community continues to write, correct, edit, and improve this. Next. This is Godot. Godot engine. That's what I know. Start. What code is like? Learning to program can be daunting, yet you want to make video games, so there is no way around learning to program. Yeah, I know. Every video game is a computer program. Okay. Telling the computer what to do. The brain is the process of writing. Okay. The game's instructions are, for example, moving a character, drawing a life bar, or playing a sound. To do any of that, you need to learn a programming language, specialized language to tell the computer what to do. Yep. Yeah, both of them working. Nice. Now, time to learn. Programming languages are different from natural ones like English or Spanish. The computer does not think, unlike us, it can interpret. You can tell it something work like draw a circle. Which circle? Where? What color should it be? How big? Okay. To draw a filled circle, the computer needs to know exact drawing coordinates, the radius, the thickness, and the color you want. The sum may look like this. Click the button, run the code. Example. Draw quickly. Yeah, got it. Yet then. In the following lesson, you will learn how this code works. For now, we want to give you a sense of what icon with GD script. Of course you will learn. Okay, can I learn something? Most programming languages are similar. Don't be afraid of being logged in. Here is an example of the same code in 3 languages. Okay, function, take damage amount. Health minus equals amount. If health 0, die. Okay. Okay. Yes. No, they have many similarities. First beginners. If you want to learn to make games or code but don't know where to start, this code. Okay. For absolute beginners. But if you already know another language, it can be fun way to get started with Godot. Okay. Let's practice. What the fuck are you? Funk. There is some. What the fuck is that? Run. Yeah. In. New scene. In. New scene. Play. Select current. Yeah. Don't wanna say this, but let's try. Okay. Was for function. Okay. Okay. Single shit happening. Okay. Let's go next one. Okay. Program your own. Function. Single shit happen. Okay. Error. Yep. The function move already exists in this class. At line 20. Making error message can look a bit cryptic. because they are designed by programmers for trained programs. This happens. Trying to define a function or variable that already exists. You can do that. Perhaps the function or variable already exists in the current code file, but it may also be in a parent class. In app, your code extends some built in code that's not visible to you. What happens, you need to either rename your function or variable to one that will not collide you. Okay. They are good. Every mistake is a good one. Okay. Func. This code is wrong. Code is run. Code is incorrect and will cause an error when you try to run it. I picked this in the side. The code defines an empty function name. This code is wrong. To work, the function should use the return keyword. But this keyword is currently inside a command. That was an easy one. Okay, this blocks what you type. La 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 la. And this can still be run, right? Oops. Block. It's just for nodes. Okay, okay. Remove the sign. Look, nice int. Be careful not to remove the spacing before return. Oh, what the fuck? Why? Run. This means functions below point. If I remove this, nothing happens. If I remove this, yeah, okay, gotcha. When you type between those lines, it's still in this function. Yeah, this opens, this close. Try that. Next one. Let's go. Stand on the shoulders of giants. As programmers, we rely on a lot of code created by others before us. Every program language comes with a wealth of features created by other programmers to save you time. We call a bundle of code created by those as library. It's a bunch of code sitting there waiting for you to use it. Game agents like Godot bundle many libraries. Okay, you always use a lot of code. No. That name. We can tell the computer execute all the instructions in sequence with that name. Calling functions. You tell the computer to execute a function. We say you call the function. Instead of calling show, make something visible, like a character or item. To complement your height, function hides the entity. Once an entity is visible, calling show against doesn't have any effect. Similarly, once you hide something, calling hide against doesn't change anything. Run. In the code listing above, we write the function call hide in a new function named run. To execute the code, creating a new function is necessary. is you must write our code inside our custom functions. What the fuck? You will learn what functions are and how they work in great detail in the course, but here's a quick look at them if you are curious. Okay. Oh, the parentheses. This is the ready function then, right? The fuck if I turn return here? Play. Error. Unexpected intent in class path. Okay. Running. Right now. Yeah. There is nothing and nothing happens. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, okay. What? What? Hide. Play. Still nothing happens. Okay. Okay, okay. Uh, any Godot code about a rectangle. Yes. Can I do this, please? Please. Yeah, yeah, let's look at there first. Group shaders. No, no, no. Just want the action. Do this here. Oh, creating the polygons. But no, that's not what I'm looking for. Just wanna draw a rectangle. And we are skipping some. Okay. Work. Please! Oh, the single shit happening. Simple information. Come on. I can do this. Okay. Okay. Now, scene. Where the fuck is scene? Here. Okay. Right click. Okay. Chill. New script. Okay. This. Yeah, this is already attached. Not? No! Chill. Okay. Okay. We have not to the in scene. Try this. New script. Create. Okay. Okay. Chill. Attached script. Time now. Ah, my brain hurts. Punk. Draw. Monkey see, monkey do. Okay. Var call equals color 100 var. Hello Pollock. Rect rect 2 equals rect equals rect 2 2 Did you have any game design experience before you landed your job? No. I I I only have experience about playing games, playing a lot. And it's a quote on quote job. It's like helping the friends, like something with doing the game together, and it's their job, and I'm part of their company. I have, as you can see, I don't know anything about coding, etc. But I will learn. No, let's stop here. Okay, back to the basic. Humans are values, numbers, bits of text, and more that change how the function behaves. Parentheses in the function. Okay. Why this not works in here? Can I switch? delete this? Yes. Let's script. Is this no main scene has ever been defined? Select one. Select current. Okay. Please. I just need to see this. Yes. For an indie company, yes. For an AAA, no. Okay. What are the radians? Show. It's called the function name show. It makes the entity like a game. Yes. No, not the function. Yes. Oh, both. Okay, but it's not the function if. Eh? Oh, if I write this, this is function alone or not? I need to use this always. Interesting. Let's back to reading. Reading is good. Both answers were right. Technically, the code calls the show function and doing so make the game entity visible. Yes. Mainly, I'm playing RPGs and strategy games. I'm a boomer, so my main strategy game, Age of Empires, and main RPG is Path of Exile. But I started with Diablo and go along with the years. After Diablo 3, I switched to Path of Exile. You can convert into degrees by multiplying them by degrees equals radiant. An angel of pi 0.3. Run. Oh. Okay. And is a full turn. P radians correspond to. Okay. How do radians work exactly? Radians are a way to measure angles based on the radius. Okay, to get an angle in radians, you take the circle radius and I need to see it to get it. I understand the basic concept, but I need to try this first. Okay. For example, with the move local x function, you can move the characters left and right. Okay, that's moving the x and y axis function. You can move the character left function. This is minus 20. It moves. Move up. Move up and down. This is one way to move a character in game, although we see more powerful ways to do this later. Okay. How do you call a function? Is the syntax used to call a function in general? Write its name followed by a colon. Write a value like a number followed by an equivalent parenthesis. And followed by, yes, this one. Right. Yeah, call a function. It's parenthesis. Practice. Okay. Go. Run. Character is visible. Yeah. But next one. What was turned by radians? You need to make it upright by calling the rotate function. Yeah. Okay. Now by 180 slash pi. What the fuck? Where is the pi? Please color rotate inside the run function and 92 and keep the top character at start time. Yeah. Okay, but 0.5. Try this, maybe. Fuck is pi, mate. If I type this, works? Nah. Lol. Yeah. Hints. I don't wanna. I just want pi. Pi. Where? What the fuck is written? No. I want to buy. Not work. Is this work here? Yes. Point 14. Let's go. Let's see what. Oh! Okay. 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 This? Nah. Too far. What the fuck, mate? 1. Oh. 2.5. That's it. No. Hmm. Reset. Rotate. 0.5. I hope it's not work. Fuck. Okay. Oh, actually, go back. Go back. Why you make me to? Oh, pi. Yeah, radians. You can convert radians into degrees by multiplying them. So, okay, I need the scene now. Let's show. That's easy. Go next, go next, go next. Okay, run. Now, rotate. I wanna make this with pi. 30. 180. 180 slash e. Run. Come on. Boom. Okay. 1.5. Run. Come on, dude. 0.5. Run. Eh, 190. Let's see what happens. If I do this, this is this. 90, maybe. Wow. Dude, I know the solution. Teach me the pi version. What is equal to rotate 0.5 in Godot as pi multiplier? B. Yes, transform. Okay. The fuck? Really? 20.5? No, it's not that. 8. I hate this. Okay, let's skip this and go back next time we do this. 0.5. Yeah. Can revisit the study media or continue? Yeah, we continue. Draw a rectangle. Meet the turtle. Okay. We will use code created by others like we did in the previous lesson. This time we will solve a more complicated problem. Drawing shapes. Thank you. Thank you. I wanna draw shapes. Mostly rectangle, but okay. Meet the turtle. We present you the turtle. We create the turtle to teach you how to call functions. Little mention that moves forward, turns, and draw lines along paths. To make it. Yep. To make it draw, you will get a list of each code and you call one specific function. We provide several functions for you. Move forward pixels. Make the turtle move. Okay, turn right degrees. Makes the turtle turn clockwise. Clockwise, okay. Higher precise amount of degrees. Work same as turn right. Except the turtle turns counterclockwise. Oh, turn right, turn left. Okay. You will use these functions the same way you used rotate before. The turtle draws a white line as it moves. We will use this line to draw shapes. Oh. Okay. Turning left and right. The functions turn left, turn right work the same. Run. Yeah. Okay. Use this instruction. We can make any two-dimensional shape we like. Right, example below. Yeah. Okay. In the function call below, which part is the argument? 30. Yes, I'm learning. I am right. Yes. I think I need to do this practice like 5 times to get used to it. Okay, we have time. Turtle use code made specified by for this app. The turtle is a little bit learning tool custom made for this. Okay. So please don't be surprised if writing code like turn left inside of the Godot editor doesn't work. Thank you. Thank you. Practice. Okay. In this practice, we will tell the turtle draw a corner. So this will be it's good enough. And everything. Yeah. Add the correct arguments function. Nice. What do you want now? Add the correct arguments to the functions. Move forward and turn right to draw a rectangle with a width of 200 pixels and a height of 120 pixels. Oh, okay. So, okay. 120. It's 200, 200, 200. It's not work. Rectangle. Oh, shit. It's a rectangle. I have a reading disability. Lol. Okay. Yeah, gotcha. Yep. I write out calls to the functions move forward and turn right. To draw a rectangle with a rectangle. So move forward. Yeah, we always turn right. And I copy paste this. Yeah. That's a programmer way, right? Work. Easy. Stay and revisit study. No. Continue. I'm so close what I want. I just want to draw same rectangle in this. But I can't. If I copy paste, draw, try this, draw. Func. Ah. A function must either followed by a body or marked as abstract. Yeah. Okay, some new typing happened. Next time. Okay. We, so far we have called existing functions that other developers wrote. So far we have called existing functions that in this lesson we will talk more about what functions are and see some examples. Then you will learn how to define your own functions. Yay! Functions are named sequence of instructions. Okay, that's just simple mathematics. Functions are sequence of instructions we will give name. Okay. We talk about items rather than names. It is because a function name is a label to the comp. Yep. One of those instructions call another family function. You could write another function that goes move and rotate 4 times. Yeah, that's what I every time we call on rotate to function move forward. So where is my Godot? In this, if I have a function draw more, and if it's draw, 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 and it's draw this 3 times. Yeah, and it seems. Yeah, yeah. But because of this is in the same place, these three are on top each other, right? Yeah, probably. But we can't do them right now anyway. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh, was a cool one. Size, integer, parameters. In this simple example, it may not feel super useful. Here's a more useful and realistic one, a function to draw any square. The following function uses parameters. Parameters. How the fuck? Parameters. Parameter. Can you do parameters, please? Parameters. Okay, parameters, which we will explore in the next lesson. Drag the slider, change the square size. Yeah, I got it. How to define your own functions. Let's break down how you define a function. Allowed by a space, the function's name, parentheses, and a colon. Yeah, I got it. That part already did my own function here. Instruction 1, 2, 3. How do we use function? To reuse code multiple times. Yes. To put a name and multiple lines of code. Yes. To run multiple. Yes. All of them. Yeah. You can fool me more than once, mate. Names in code have rules. Okay. Function identifiers cannot contain space. The game is prone. Things cannot contain space. Oh, that's why this underscore here. Okay. There is another convention programmers use in other programming languages. Instead of using underscore, they start words with capital letters except for the first one. With that convention, you will write function names like move forward. Yeah, okay, okay. Identifiers also have to start with a letter for, or an underscore. You can't begin with a number, but you can use number after first character. Yeah. Which of the following names are valid function names? This one, not this one, this one. Submit. Yes. Easy. It's not the moving the turtle to a definite different position. Instant. What the fuck? Okay, this is teleportation. Nice. The jump function picks up the turtle and places it relative to where it is. Yeah, I got that. This was this this output. What the fuck is output? Code a function name draw a square. To draw one square of length to a hand. Okay, okay, okay. So function point draw square. Put this move forward 200. Turn right 90. Oop. Actually, if I do this, that will be easier. Yeah, it's easy. You have a function to draw one square. Use it to draw three squares. We already create a function. Yeah, I got you, my brother. Function. Draw three squares. Draw square. Square. Now, simple copy paste. Now, do this two times and oh, last part. Let's go. Oh, oh, oh. How we close this? Like this? Maybe this. Yeah, it's a way better one, right? Function in a function. First function parameter. I need some water. I need some water. Okay, I'm back. Let's finish this next quest. 6. How many lessons there? Yeah. Okay. It's not bad. I will stop after this and until I'm drawing this rectangle in Godot, I'm not returning here. Let's finish this first. In the previous part, you created a function to draw a square of a fixed size. This function is a bit limited. Instead, it would be much better if we had a function to draw a square of any size. Yeah. Or better, any kind of rectangle. A square is a specific kind of rectangle. In previous lesson, you used the rotate function and give it an argument. Just like rotate, we can also give our function parameters. Parameters are labels you give to values. Okay. Variance can be a positive or negative number, which allows you to rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise. For now, please focus on the first line, function rotate radius. When you call rotate 0.5, the computer binds the value 0.5 to the label radians. And identify radians inside the function. It replaces with the 0.5 value. What? I didn't understand single shit. Okay, the parameter name is always a label you use to refer to a value. The value in question can be a number, text, or anything else. For now, we will stick to numbers. Amper you use to make calculations. What is function parameter? The name of a function. No, this is not. You give it to a value function receives. Submit. Yes. How to create function with parameters. You can give your function parameters when writing its definition. The line starting with the function keyword. To do so, you add the name inside of the parentheses. So, drive square length. Okay, you can give parameters any name. How you name functions and parameters is up to you. Okay, before I see more, I want to type before. So probably it's something like this. Func draw square length. Bu kısmı gördük. Length yeah, equals something something probably. Then turn, no, not turn. What's the move forward length turn right. This one is 90 probably, and this is something like this, right? It was one. Let's see what the real one looks like. You can give parameters any name. How function? Okay. Side length. Parameters make your code easier to reuse. Yeah, we already saw this. Right length. Okay. Cannot contain spaces. To write parameter names with multiple words, you need to use underscores. Yeah, okay. No space between. Which is the correct syntax for a function definition? It is right. No, this is right because we need this. Yeah, gotcha. Functions can have multiple parameters. What the fuck? Oh, it's space. Must I write space between function parameters? In a function definition, you must have a space between the function keyword and the function name. However, because we use the comma to separate parameters, it doesn't matter if you use space between parameters as long as you have the comma. Okay, either syntax is correct. We often use spaces after the comma for readability. Okay, I gotcha. You don't need to use space. When defining a function, parameters are optional. What's the correct syntax to define a function with multiple parameters? Okay. There is no comma. There is comma. What? This one, right? Yes. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Before we create a rectangle of any size, let's first see how we can use parameters to draw simple shapes. Okay. Here, complete function that will draw corners with lines of any length, but it's missing its length parameter. The function will move the turtle forward an amount defined by the parameter length. Turn 90 degrees. Then length pixel. Complete the draw face. Yeah. You want something like this? I didn't understand the question. What this shit happened? Oh, this is jumped. Where is the jump? Okay. Some magic. In this practice, we will improve our draw corner function, so the angle can also vary. That was easy. No. Hard part. We want the function to draw squares of any size. We could use these squares as outlines when selecting units in a tactical game. As a frame for items in an inventory, add more. Create a function named draw squares. Okay, function draw square that takes one parameter, length. The turtle should face towards the right. Okay, so move forwards. Length. No, this need to be right. Yeah. Blunt ship. It's going well. I did my sport in the morning, and now in the evening I'm working on a new thing. If I ended stream with this code working, fuck. Where did it go? No! Come back! If this one working when I played this, then I'm really happy. Right. 9. This time we don't remove the fourth one because it won't. Oh, this is missing. Yeah, yeah, it wants to. Yep, it's easy. Yeah, it's fun, but it's also frustrating. Learning new things at this age is a little bit hard. What we are doing now? Let's make our square driving function more flexible to include rectangles of varying size. I have to work at one CRM ERP software to code. Ah, yeah. I'm 34 and learning code first time at ish. I learned like 2 hours before, but yeah, we can call this first time. Nice. I hope I can learn it as well. Because I wanna make games and I don't like using only AI to make games. I don't like AI games. Your job is a function named draw rectangle that takes 2 parameters. Okay, length. Hey, length. Hey, length. Hey. Yeah. I I'm starting with Godot. I like this video because I did like 2 hour, not 2 hour, 2 week search before start learning. I had 4 or 5 channels already subscribed, and there is a video like this shows you what to do, and it already contain my subscribed channels, so I will try this. Let's see what will happen at the end. I can understand logic behind this type of writing, but yeah, using it in Godot, I don't know. Okay, let's finish this here and learn about the program. Okay, where we stop. Okay, now. Okay, scenes. What the fuck is scenes? Um, it's gonna feel like you know nothing at first, then when it clicks, it will build it. I hope so. Okay, scenes. I've thought about doing game dev, but I'm just trying to get good at the things I'm busy with. Yeah. If it's your job as well, you need to do job first, then hobby later. So you break down your game in reusable scenes. A scene can be a character, a weapon, a menu in the user interface. It has become my job, but been doing freelance for a long time, helping people on projects. So, okay. A single house, an entire level, or anything you can think of it. Godot scenes are flexible. They will fill the role of both prefabs and scenes in some other games. You can also nest scenes. For example, you can put your character in a level and drag and drop a scene as a child of it. Oh, I can drop my rectangle scene. Where is scene? This is scene. What is happening? I just wanna. I was streaming on Twitch today and doing some mobile app development. One of the projects I have to create and then stream my actual day job work with ERP software on Friday night. It will be my first time streaming ever. Yeah. Please test your stream before start. This is not my first stream. I streamed games before, but even this is not my first stream. It's a new system, and it took me 1 hour to make my YouTube stream as well in the same going. Yeah. I start Godot 1 hour later because of the extra work. Okay. Understand this part. Let's do like this. Where is my Godot? This one. Okay. Yeah. Not that hard. Yeah. Good luck on your streams, mate. I'm using stream as a diary. That's why I'm streaming on YouTube as well. Because Twitch deletes VODs, but YouTube don't delete VODs. So I don't wanna take my Twitch streams and put it in the YouTube. So I stream at the same time in YouTube too. Okay, I need a note. Select a single note. Delete all this. How can I delete all this? Delete, delete, delete. File. Close. Okay. I delete from there. Shit. We deleted the wrong shit. Okay. That's important. Just need a new note. New script. Note. Template. Object. Yes. It's an object. Suquare. Create. Please. Where is the video I watched? Come on, dude. YouTube. How to draw an punk square draw. Var. Call. Equal. Color. 1. 0. 0. Var. Rect. Equal. This work. Team. Select the current. What I'm doing? Vay Kevin, vay. Detach script. Detach script. Ah, so the latest section of components on a project I had to rebuild down, but I built it better and more robust. Yeah. Yeah. After learning how to do, it's just an training part. Yeah. You can do same thing 10 times and 10th time become the best one. It's like training sports. You learn at the first ones, then you perfected it afterwards. I can still don't draw a rectangle. Shit. Okay, let's see another video. How to draw a rectangle in Godot. I just wanna draw shader. How to draw. Just wanna draw rectangle. Okay. What the fuck he did that? Yeah? Yeah? Huh? Yeah? I didn't do that. Now I wanna function hide. I wanna hide you. Hide, not hide. Function boomer. Hide. They say when you build a project, you always regret the first 10% you code because when you get to 90. Thank you, thank you. Good luck to you again. Shit doesn't work. Attach script. Create. Okay. I quit. I need to learn more. At least I have a rectangle now. Thank you, thank you. As I say, do your streaming settings before. I don't have any notifications for followers and subscribes, etc. I need to do them after the first stream. But thank you for the company. Okay. Clear camera, sprite 2D, collision shape 2D. Can I delete all of these? Remove quit Godot. Open Godot again. I wanna delete all my projects. Remove, please. Okay. Okay. Create a new project. Just uh, oh, why this is changed? No, 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 no. No, what happened to my settings? Okay, we scroll. We both got it key concepts. Okay. Okay, some sidetracked and got back to work now. Code names with end with 2D because this is a 2D scene. Their 3D counterparts have names that end with 3D. That's how notes and scenes look the same in. I don't know what I'm doing. Something's happening. Back to reading scene 3. Okay. Limit science when some event occurs. This flow allows you to make notes, communicate without hard wiring them in code. It gives you a lot of flexibility in how you structure your scenes. Okay. I write them some notes. Single note to edit its sign. Help! Search help. Okay. Next. Okay. I think I can learn something from this. This page will be project picture. Okay. First time you go to this step, you will see a go online button for pricing. Okay. Back to settings can be opened this at this. Okay. From here, you can change the editor's language, interface, theme, displays, network mode, and also the connections. Okay. Got the main areas. Okay. Yes. By default, along the Windows top edge, it appears mainly on the left. Space switching buttons in the center. Playtest buttons and the movie maker mode toggle on the right. Let's go. The workspace buttons, the open scenes as top search scene, the plus button, the new scene. button on the far right, strict free mode can be toggled, which maximize or restores the viewport size by hiding dogs. Okay. Got that part. Center below the scene selector is the viewport with its toolbar at the top, where you find different tools to move, scale, or lock scenes, notes, current, okay. Context and selected note. Here is the 2D toolbar. This is not important. On either side of the viewport sit the docks. At the bottom of the window lies the bottom panel. File system. Dock list your project files, including scripts, images, audio samples, and more. Yep, that's we saw before. Scene dock list active scene nodes. Inspector allows you to edit the properties of the. Oh, inspector is important then. Okay. Can I select a node? What's happening, mate? Hey, hey. Come on. Okay, I broke something. Kick myself in the nuts. Please work. Oh, you work the help? Okay. Then you work height. Please work. Height. Fuck. Ignore external changes. Hide. Can you just please hide this rectangle? Huh? We did it! I did it. I guess I did it. Remove this. Reload. Yes! Oh. Eh, eh, eh. Yes! Okay. Today's mission not failed. Passed. I don't know what I did it, but I did it. Now, I wanna draw new rectangle. The last one I learned. Oh. If I can work this out. Okay, let's see. We need to remove this now. We draw this here. Okay. Mixed use of tabs and space for identification. Dur. Chill dude, chill. I'm gonna make this work. I believe. Here. Pass. This. My head hurts. I do this. Does it work? Can I just this? Please work. Please work. Please work. Wait, shit. Not wait, shit. This not work. Oh, it worked. This should. Great. Wait. Okay. Okay. I didn't understand single shit, but something worked. I don't know why. Okay. Attach script. Happened. Why this is this attach script? Okay. Now new script. Okay. Will stop. Now just hide. Attach script. New script. Load. Please work. Like, I need this on every script. Huh? What the fuck? It works here. But it doesn't work here. Eh? Why? You can't find it in here. Eh? Okay. Huh. That's some stupid shit. Now it works. Okay. Now I need a new scene, not scene. I need a new script, right? What the fuck? I open a new script. Show. Now extend 2D. Yes. Now show. If I copy paste this, okay. Try not copy paste this. Hmm. I need this. Why I do not? Okay. Now attach script. Not. Show. Load. Let's see what happens. Okay. Why nothing showed? If I put show here, right here, what happens now? Thing happens again. If it's side, it's side. Huh? Which, how do I know which one is first, which one is... I take this show up. Doesn't... Didn't get why I did. I wanna make something disappear and appear again. Okay. My brain hurts. Okay. Shit. Place with function body. Called every frame delta is the 11th time since the previous frame. So Eh? Something got broken. Now nothing shows. Where is my rectangle go? Dude. Why? Fuck. Yeah. That's script. Attach script. Study. Load. Okay. Extend script. Oh. Load. Extend script. Show. Okay. I think now I got this. Remove this. Play. Think. I got the idea, I guess. No. Fuck. And attach script. Attach script. Yeah, let's try this. Right. Play. Okay, nothing. Show. Okay. Hide. Okay. This part. On attach script. Ah, my head hurts. Why the fuck this doesn't attach script? Play. This is okay. Uh, Other child not. Oh, think now I know. Touch script, not 2D. Detach script. Attach script, not this one. New script. Load. Now, now we see a rectangle. Okay. Now if I block this, we see nothing. Shit. My head hurts again. My head hurts again. So what I do this then? Copy this. Put here. Just chill, mate. 500, 500, 500, 500. 2. Play. It works. I wanna make another child node. Great. Attach script. Show. This at the top. I wanna hide them. Doesn't work. Fuck. This works. This works. This doesn't work. What if I remove this? I need to learn why this don't work. Okay, at least I can draw animal. What happens if I do this then? In mode call, transaction function in base 2D node. Okay. This doesn't. So if I do this then, let's try this. Attach this or the first one. Yes. Attach this. Same child. No, that doesn't change shit. That's script, not node. Name script. Yes. What happens? Okay. Still same shit. If I do this in here, anything will happen. Stack Overflow. Check for infinite recursion. Okay. Interestingly, this works. if I do this? Okay. You are gonna. My brain hurts. don't understand shit. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Function signals does much. Please work. Didn't work. Why this not work? Why this not work? This not work. This not work. Hmm. Okay. Close. What I want. Yes, that's better. Now I wanna make this. Okay. Functions made. The function must either have a. Okay. Expected intended block after function deceleration. If I put this here, what's happened? This here. Don't understand why I can't do this. Can't create more functions. Expected indented block. What the fuck? Don't understand what the problem in this. Can only have one function. I wanna have more than one function. Okay, 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 okay. Yes. There is no progression in here. This works. Okay. If I type height in here, what happens? It works. But if I want to open a new function, some shits happen. 23, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Something like this? No. Eh? The fuck? I do this. Okay. Height. Rectangle. Doesn't work. If sec hit this, I wanna remove this. I can do that. Shit. If sec equals 1, height. If sec equals, I think this works like this, to show. I think this not this so close though. Shit. It didn't work. What if I put this here? Okay. One more step. Okay, okay. Today, this is enough, I guess. Let's read a little bit more. No, do this. I wanna do this. Think I need to attach something different to this.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah, time to end up here.